Okay, folks, welcome back. Today is just a side note. I'm going to discuss my signature toss, okay? I've used this at a valley in Rhode Island, which used to be known as Twin River, about a year and a half ago, okay? And you see in my videos when I talk about the aristocrat throw, the throw with the picky, okay? And I'm talking about the 45-degree angles and the 90 degrees, stuff like that. Now, you guys, some of you are wondering, like, well, how do I get these angles out there? How do I lay it out? Did I bring a protractor out there, or a square? No. For those of you who have situation awareness and understand the game of craps and everything, they may change a lot of stuff, right? They may change the underlaying, the diamonds, the walls, and all that stuff. But the one thing that they haven't changed is that the layout of the table, okay? The layout of the table stay similar all around since the game, right? You notice that the pass line and the don't pass line, that's parallel to the wall, right? And it runs perpendicular to the back wall. So, for example, in this video, you could see the pass line and the don't pass line, right? And you see the words, the text, right? I just did simple text, but the text is block letter. And that text, the T and the don't pass, the pass, the O, is perpendicular to the back wall, right? And this line here is parallel to the wall, to the side wall, right? So when I want a square shot, I would set my dice. So let's say I'm just doing the hard way, right? 5, 5, 4, 4. I would use the T if you're on it, or the P or whatever it is, or I can use one of the line, like the don't pass line. See that line? I would use that to line up, because if I line this up perfectly this way, or the P or use a T or the D, I know that this is perpendicular to the back wall, okay? Now, when I'm laying out my 7 toss, the signature throw, which is it's a 5, 3, 2, 4, you hear me saying, oh, it's 45-degree angle, right? How do I get 45-degree angle? Okay. Did I bring out a protractor, an angle like this, lay it out and measure it? No. Like I said, if you have situation awareness, you would notice that I would use the line with a pass line and don't pass line, and I would turn that dice 45-degree angle. How do I know when to stop at 45-degree angle? Because I'm using the 5 dice here, the track, and the 2 here to be perpendicular to the back wall and parallel to the side wall. All right. Now, you can see it. You see this, the 2 train track here and here. Let me make it clearer for you so you can see it better. See that the 2, you see how they're perpendicular and to the back wall and parallel to the line on the pass and don't pass line. All right. And when I pick it up, I would tilt it and I would use my angle, my pinky to lay out. Now, I still stay 45-degree angle on the dice, right? Stay 45-degree angle on the dice. But you see how this here is 90 degrees and I'm 90 degrees off the table. So I'm still parallel to the back wall. And then when I make my toss, I toss under with the pinky left up. So I'm still perpendicular off the table surface and the air, right? So it'll be like this. See? That's just a side note on the toss. I'll go more into it next time. But if you're situation awareness and you go to the crap table and you look at the layout, you'll see the layout. You'll see the lines with the don't pass, pass, and the box and the letters. Use that as your guide to line up your dice, okay? To see what you want. That's all it is. But sometimes you set your dice up and you want to hit the back wall square to the back wall, but you don't use any type of measurement thing. You're just hoping to hit the back wall. But if you use the layout of the table, it will help you to nail that back wall correctly, okay? Just some side note. See you next time practice. Take care.